You got no power?
No power.
Why? Last night?
No.
Too much?
Too much.
Too much, oh, Mao too much last night? Why? Too many, have man buy you many drinks last night?
Yeah, some my friend.
Yeah?
From New Zealand, he come buy drink. First drink of soft drink, then he say, no soft drink, after, have to drink beer. And after shot, 2 tequila rose, and 2 minutes of Miguel. Then after work, I go in the, New Bottle.
Oh, then you went inside the logo with him?
2 tequila, original.
That's not too much. Maybe for you, yeah. For me, not too much, you know. It's
The light shot, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Tequila rose, okay.
Yeah, if you start drinking tequila, yeah, you get really drunk pretty fast.
Because
Yeah.
because in a bottle, you know, original.
Oh, it's not what?
Because in a bottle, same in a walking street, have original tequila.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, very strong. But my friend ordered tequila. And finish there within about 5 minutes. About 5 minutes, 2,000 up. And come here, buy drink again. So me, some friends already here. You don't like shot? You don't like to drink?
Oh, I like it. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I like
You
shot.
like? Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sometimes. Oh, good.
Very.
Oh, good fun.
But today drink beer already, 1 beer and 1 gin.
I'm on my number 4 whiskey soda, but in my room I have already, before I go out I had two whiskey sodas. So then I have already 6 already. 6 already.
But not get drunk yet.
Oh, I feel nothing yet. A little bit. That buzz.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's not too much.
Not same, me cannot drink too much.
Yeah, it's too early for me, you know. It's only 11:15 right now.
If we order some friends, if I drink, some friends say I have to buy orange juice for you. You want to drink orange juice, I buy Family Mart. Have to drink beer. After have to drink beer with me. What you looking?
You want a drink? I buy you drinks.